Bob, as usual, we had those evening thunderstorms pretty strong in our area, and then it turned into a really pretty night.
We had severe weather warning in Hillsborough County. That was it. Close to severe weather, though. A lot of people say they had winds gusting as high as 40 to 45 miles an hour with some of the storms. Also some small pea-sized hail near Bayshore Gardens earlier this evening. All that is gone, and things are looking improving considerably across the area now that the heavy weather has moved on. I wanted to show you this excellent photo sent in from Norm Schimmel, sending this one in. This is a nice shot of the fireworks going on last night right there at Sarasota Bay. Some storms were around last night, and they were around this evening, and then it cleared just in time for this beautiful and gorgeous sunset by Art Conforti. Appreciate the photos. Keep them coming to pics at mysuncoast.com. A lot of pictures sent in, and unfortunately I couldn't get all of them on, but you can check them out at mysuncoast.com. As far as the Titan radar picture goes, some showers and storms still lingering offshore, pushing away from the coast right now. As they continue to head off into the Gulf, they will weaken and fall apart in the next hour or so. For us, skies are clearing. We had some rainfall amounts, some pretty hefty amounts at times, nearly an inch and just over that near Venice and near also Bayshore Gardens, getting up to about an inch of rainfall. Lesser amounts, but Parrish did get some rain. Lakewood Ranch, it came down heavy, got a couple different times with some extreme lightning strikes. As we saw a lot of lightning tonight with the cells as they made their way through. What we have is still high pressure situated just off the coast, and it's kind of nosing its way in right across our area. Now, there's some dry air out here, too. You'll see that in a minute. But with the wind flowing around this in an east to southeasterly direction into our area, we're going to see the collision take place with that sea breeze in the afternoon tomorrow. But since the dry air will be in place and is kind of working its way in our general direction, I don't think we're going to see as many storms. There'll still be a few, but we had quite a bit of rainfall near the coast, and that dry air moving in will kind of limit the thunderstorm activity that we would normally see during this time of year. It's 77 now, the dew point 72. Winds out of the northeast at 6, and the pressure on the rise at 30-15. The high today, a couple degrees above average at 94 degrees, 4 degrees shy of the record, 98, and that was set back in 1998. And actually, we did get some rain at the airport. They don't report right now, but we did get about a tenth of an inch there. 80 degrees in Jacksonville, 81 in Orlando, now 86 in Miami. 77 in Sarasota. Temperatures all pretty much in the 70s here, although we have a couple of 80s well inland into Highlands County right now in Sebring, Lake Placid, and Avon Park. Well, the forecast for Thursday looks like this. A chance for a few showers. It will be a hot day again. We're talking a heat index up near about 100 to 105 degrees, beginning just after 1 o'clock and continuing up until the clouds start to increase with a 30% chance for those late day showers and storms. So not as many around tomorrow. There'll still be a few. And then better chances for rain comes back over the weekend as a result of more moisture coming back into play. Thursday's forecast model checking in with some sunshine in the morning. We'll see just a few clouds and a few showers scattered about in the afternoon. And look for Friday, a little bit better chance of more rain near the coast and along that sea breeze front as it develops in the afternoon and then eventually pushes back toward the coast later on in the day into Friday evening, and similar conditions on Saturday. We talked about this earlier. We have tropical depression number 4 out there. Could become down, but it doesn't appear that it's going to have much of a chance, although it's looking rather impressive on the satellite imagery. The forecast is calling for it to move off to this west-northwesterly direction in 5 days. We'll have to keep an eye on it. By day 5, there's a chance it could slip a little bit further to the south. So we're not out of the clear yet with this system, but it's looking pretty good for us here along the west coast of Florida. For boaters tomorrow, winds will be out of the southeast, turning to the southwest at 5 to 10 knots, and the seas will be rather light out there with a light chop. Low tide upcoming will be at 5:03 tomorrow morning, sunrise at 6:41. Evening storms winding down, skies already becoming fair, and then for tomorrow, slight chance for a shower or two, a high of 92, and the heat index at 102. The extended forecast does call for increasing chances for rain in the afternoon and evening, which is fairly typical for this time of year.